In this video, I will show you how to replace the starter ratchet on a gasoline trimmer. I have a Limex Expert gasoline trimmer and it broke down, so let's get started. On every gasoline trimmer, the starter is attached at the back with 4 bolts, and underneath it is this kind of ratchet which is mounted on the crankshaft axle. For some reason, it got worn out and fell off. The starter itself also broke. Its mounting part got worn out as well. So, we will replace the entire assembly. First, you need to remove the starter, which is attached with 4 bolts at the back of the trimmer. I've already done this. Next, you'll need a spark plug wrench to remove the spark plug, a small adjustable wrench, and a regular rope with a diameter of 6 to 8 millimeters. We remove the remaining part of the ratchet. Here, everything is literally worn out. It's made of a metal similar to celumen. The new ratchet looks like this. The metal seems thicker, the configuration is a little different, but it should fit. After that, you need to remove the spark plug to access the combustion chamber. Judging by the spark plug, there was a lot of oil in the gasoline, or there was a problem with the fuel supply, so it's necessary to sort out the engine's fuel system. To unscrew the threaded part of the old ratchet, you need to lock the crankshaft so it doesn't turn. For this, I use an ordinary rope, which is stuffed into the engine's combustion chamber. Turn the piston to bottom dead center, looking inside the combustion chamber. And tightly pack the rope into the combustion chamber. To make it easier, you can use a screwdriver to gently push the rope in so more fits inside. After this, you can proceed to unscrew the remaining part. For this, I use a lubricant similar to WD-40. Spray a little on the threads and start unscrewing. First, take a small pipe wrench. Firmly grab onto the broken remains of the old ratchet, and then slowly start turning it in a counterclockwise direction. It broke loose. After that, you can use pliers. This is the threaded part that's left from the ratchet. After this, you need to finally check that the inner diameters and sizes match. Mine are completely identical. Here is the old ratchet and the new one. Something was rubbing here and wore it down to nothing. If you look at the new and old starter, you can see that here the plastic was rubbing against the metal, and you can see that it chewed away all the metal. Therefore, when buying a new starter, pay attention to the outer part of the coil, which may be higher than it was in the original. Now take the new ratchet, wipe the mounting area with a cloth, lubricate it with graphite grease, and screw the ratchet into place without removing the cord. Apply a light coat of grease. And screw it on. After that, remove the cord and you can install the starter in place. And secure it with screws. Tighten well. And put the spark plug back in place. I've already cleaned it with solvent and a brush, so now it should work. And put the carburetor cover back in place. Mine tends to slip off a bit sometimes, so I put a wood screw here. Now it won't come off at all. After this simple procedure, you can try starting the brush cutter. With this straightforward operation, I was able to replace the ratchet on the brush cutter, and anyone can do it. Now it's necessary for the brush cutter to run at idle for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the ratchet and starter parts to break in, and after that you can get to work.